All right, so let's get started by talking about ranges. So many commands in Excel require that you select a cell or a range of cells. And a range is any group of two or more adjacent or nearby cells. All right, so you can select more than one cell by clicking and dragging, as you see here. All right, or you can hold the shift key. So we're holding the shift key, and if you use your arrows, I'm using the down arrow, using the right arrow, okay? So this here is an example of a range, all right? And a range is expressed by the cell reference of the top left cell, all right, a colon, and the cell reference of the bottom right cell, okay? So for example, our range here is, so we would have B2, so cell B2, that is the cell in the top left, and our bottom right, right? So we would have B2 and then a colon, and then here we have G6. All right, so if we wanted to type this out, here's how that would look. So B2 colon G6, right? So B2 through G6, okay? So this is an example of a range, and this is how we would read it. B2 through G6. Okay, and so when you select a range of cells, you can apply changes or an action to that entire group. Okay, so if we look in, we're going to move to activity 4. I'm going to zoom up just a little bit. We're just going to practice selecting some ranges. Okay, so here, for example, so just a small range. All right, remember, so from the top left to the bottom right. So this is F1 through G2. Okay, just another example. This is also a range, right? So H2 through J2 is also a range. Okay, this is also a range, right? So G1 through G6. Okay, so all of these are examples of ranges. Okay, so this is a range. Okay, this is a range. This is also a range. Okay? All right, so this video is just about learning what a range is and several examples of ranges.